what we have today. It's a spray. And this is
cranberry juice.
yes. And this is lemon. And this is Calitica tornadea. And this is a peach. So let's make. So now I use some spray, and we are going to make like fruit spray. So we are going to use the spray and use like a peach. So let me see, it's good or not? Let's taste. So it's like you can put in the peach in here and the spray. So actually just like have some fruit flavor. It's good, I like it. If you drink in a hard day, it will be really good taste. So maybe you can try in your house because it's really easy to make. So let's see next. This is the peach spray. It looks like this.
The lemon springs tastes like acid and is free in summer.
This is a lemon spray, what we made today. Okay, so now I will make a Calidia tornadea spray. So we have spray and Calidia tornadea. So it's mixed together. So it looks like this. And the color will be purple. It's really beautiful color. Okay, let me text. Actually, it's similar like spray, I have to say. It's definitely the same. But the color is more beautiful, so it's fit in the party. Maybe your friends come to yours, like your house, and you can make like this. It's really beautiful color. It's fit in the party. So this is Calitica tornadea spray. It looks like a purple. It's really beautiful color.
It's more acid than only like drink in spring.
This is cranberry spray, and it looks like pink. Really beautiful color. So this is what we made today. Have like peach and cranberry and Calidia tornadea. So actually make this is really funny. You can have a lot of fun in make this, and it's easy to make. So parents can with kids make like this, and it's easy to prepare everything, and it's fun. So how did you feel, Sharon?
It feels good.
Really good, yes. Actually, I feel really good too. We have a lot of fun in make this. So see you next time. Bye.